How to buy Solana meme coins on Phantom Wallet. Let's get started. Launch your Phantom Wallet. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll be directed to the home page. Now, here you're gonna find different option. Click on the option of Solana. Click on it. Then click on the option of Receive. You will get this kind of QR code. Now you can share this QR code to anyone to earn the meme coins. Likewise, heading towards another way to buy Solana, head back. Click on the option of Buy. Now from this list, select Solana. Now here type in the amount that you want to use to get the Solana. Once you type in the amount, here you'll find the Solana quantity. Now click on Buy. Now select your payment method. Then you can click on the option of Buy and go through the process. So this way you can easily buy Solana meme coins on Phantom Wallet. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.